Tonight, we're going to vivid Sydney on a party boat cruise. Honestly, I've been waiting for this for months. The sky is already exploding with color, and you can feel the energy vibrating right through the wharf. I'm boarding a cruise to see the city from the best seat in the house, the middle of the harbor. But first, we have to talk about the journey. To see the city transform, you have to move through its veins. From the deep underground escalators of Wynyard to the light rail tracks cutting through the dark CBD, Sydney feels like a living, breathing creature tonight. Even the architecture is part of the show. Look at this Stingray installation swimming across the ceiling in the Barangaroo complex. It's spectacular. Everywhere you turn, there's a new detail, a new light, a new reason to smile. This is the vibrancy I was looking for. Before we hit the main harbor, I had to stop for a quick fuel up. For me, happiness is as simple as a cold beer and a bowl of hot, salty chips by the waterfront. It's the perfect ritual to recharge before the real spectacle begins. One bite, and I'm ready. Let's get back to the water. Look at this. The pyrotechnics are relentless now. Red, green, and gold shells are bursting right over the cruise boats. Standing on the deck, feeling the cool harbor breeze while the sky is on fire. It's a sensory overload in the best way possible. Truly beautiful.
No.
switching vessels now, moving into a more refined space. White tablecloths, sleek interiors, and panoramic views. Seeing the skyline reflected in the harbor water makes the whole city look like a 3D movie. The scale of these high-rises lit up in shifting neon is just wow.
Get the party started. That's what we're known for. What are we doing? Okay, if you want to. Anyway. She's up the lounge. Wow. Woo.
The green lasers are everywhere now, cutting through the dark as the DJ booth pumps on the deck. Everyone is waving, dancing, and just living gently inside the frame of this incredible night. It feels more like a floating club than a ferry.
That's it. Did you go up? Did you go up?
Yeah, I've been up there.
Oh, there's a mad DJ. Go up. Go on, check it out. That's alright.
Check out that sleek yacht with the blue underwater lights. It looks like something out of the future. We're deep in the harbor now, and the water is shimmering with liquid neon. This is what makes life exciting again. Harbour Bridge. Tonight, it's a massive calling card for the city, glowing with a full rainbow spectrum. The colors move so smoothly, shifting from deep purple to a fiery red and electric green. It's dynamic, it's fashionable, and it completely dominates the horizon. We're sailing right past the Opera House sails now. They've become a living canvas of light and movement. This is the why behind my journey tonight. You can't describe this feeling in 3 words. You just have to be here to breathe it in. average now. Looking up at those massive arches glowing with color is a perspective you just can't get from the shore. It makes you feel so small, yet so connected to the energy of the city. We're passing the Lady Northcott again. That ferry is just glowing. As the night deepens, the city doesn't sleep. It just gets brighter. Every corner of the harbor is imprinted with a different light, a different memory.
Yeah, I've never done that. That'd be awesome.
It's good fun.
You do it?
Yeah.
Should have videoed.
I'll have another.
I just do it at night time.
Yeah. Do you use your camera, Rob? You should have your camera to do it. That'd be sick. Little fast.
Spending less than 24 hours.
You're telling me you don't have that cash?
I said no. I said it's in my account now.
Back on dry land, but the party isn't over. At Town Hall, we caught this incredible beatboxer performing for a massive crowd under the lit-up clock tower. Sydney by night is naturally optimistic and wildly vibrant. Boredom simply doesn't exist here. One last stop at Woolworth's for the late night essentials. Your sweetness will be the aftertaste of all my days to come. What a night. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the vibe. Let's go.